So now that we know the approach, how do we organize around that? What are the operating models that we can operate with? There are companies who start at a division or a business unit level. This is the fastest way to start. You can tell a business unit or a division or a department saying, go, start running, start automating. And this gives you a lot of quick ROIs. But as you start scaling, you'll find that if this operating model, if you stay too long, your technology is fragmented, your people are fragmented, your standards are fragmented, your processes at times get fragmented. Now, many funds start with a different operating model. They start with a centralized operating model. There's a centralized COE, and they are creating these bots, complex bots for businesses. They provide this as a service to their business. And you get very good ROI in this approach, and you keep in this operating model, and you keep moving fast. But very soon you'll find that as you're going, if you stay in this operating model too long, you're slowing down some business units who wants to move faster. Because this technology goes viral. The moment you show some bots running, everyone in your company will come and say, I want that. So if you stay in this operating model too long, you'll find that some other division in some other country or some other department is doing something else on their own. At some point, you want to marry these two operating models into something what we call a federated operating model, where the complex processes are run centrally, your standards are defined centrally, but you empower every business units and every division in every country to create and run their bots on their own, because the technology exists, the expertise exists in the market with 800 plus partners, and all the playbooks and the best practices are there to make you successful. In this operating model, you have clear roles and responsibilities defined for you, your business unit, your COE, and your technology vendor partner like Automation Anywhere. One suggestion I have is to divide this operating model on 3 axes. You create a product governance team whose only job is to make sure to use the technology to the best of its ability. You create a program governance team whose only job is to create a program that allows you to scale fast and remove friction. And lastly, if you have hundreds of bots running mission-critical processes for your businesses, you need a team that can take care of these digital colleagues of ours.